Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making chicken cacciatore. So we'll start with the olive oil. Okay, we'll wait until the oil gets hot. And we'll start by putting the chicken and we'll brown it until it's nice and golden. Then I have the onions, garlic, so whatever I need. One at a time I will be adding once I brown the chicken. Okay, so now I add a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to add the onions. I'm going to add the tomatoes. These are fresh tomatoes. I just chopped them small. Okay, they're just fresh tomatoes. Green and red peppers. I'll add the garlic. This is fresh garlic, chopped. Now the mushrooms. Fresh mushrooms. Good one. Oregano, black pepper and chili pepper, and these are capers, so I'm just adding 2 teaspoons. Okay, now this is gonna simmer and I will be back to add the chicken. Okay, the vegetables here, they've been cooking for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna add the chicken. I will turn the heat down. We're gonna simmer the chicken now until nice and tender. So what I'll do now, you let it simmer slowly until the meat falls off the bone. I'm going to add some parsley, Italian parsley. For now, there's enough juice, so it's going to simmer. And if you need to add some more wine or maybe some more water, if you want water, you can add some if you need it. Otherwise, this is fine the way it is. Okay. I'm gonna cover it and I'll see you later. Okay, the chicken has been cooking for about an hour. Okay, and here I have some just plain rice that I'm gonna serve this with rice. You can serve it with any kind of pasta. Okay, so I'm gonna put a scoop of rice. This chicken looks good. See how you can tell that it's nice and cooked. See, it just falls off the bone. Beautiful. See, nice. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit in here. I'll put some of the broth with the mushrooms and all the peppers. So I didn't add anything else. I didn't add no water, nothing to the chicken, just the wine. I'll put another piece. I'm just preparing this for for my husband. He's waiting. See how good it looks? I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.